guys, this taxi just knocked into this Ford behind us. Let me show you guys the damage. Yeah, is he just driving away?
So this is just say before and after what the exhaust sounds like.
Wait, bro, what the fuck?
Okay guys, so the Civic doesn't have a tailpiece on. I plan on fitting the exhaust soon on the car, so maybe just gonna do a few rips and just show you guys how the car sounds. Petrol station. I think the petrol is going up as well, so I might as well fill up the Civic because currently the Civic is completely empty.
Empty.
It's probably going to be a good idea to maybe just fill up all the cars actually, maybe take the S1000 later and the daily as well. Okay guys, I'm in a red robot right now and there's no cars in front of me, so let's do like one of the last pulls with this obnoxious exhaust. That was actually with all the windows closed. Let's see what it sounds like with the window open. I do think that I'm kind of going to miss this exhaust. It does sound insane on top, but like the low revs and diesel, it kind of sounds terrible.
Brother,
So you're saying the car's too loud?
Too loud.
So I can't drive again? We couldn't change the exhaust because I didn't have a back bumper, so we didn't really know where the exhaust needed to, like, you know, be positioned. If we fit the exhaust right, the back box, we do not know where the actual cutout is of the bumper. But anyway, just rocked up here. I think they still have a car on the lift. I'm gonna probably go onto the lift after this. And also just check out the cool cars over here. I think this is Jaden's car. Look how insane this car looks. And then this is the shop over here. Okay guys, so here's a better look at this car. I think this is a better engine. So to my understanding, the better engine is basically, you know, like Australia or New Zealand, and this is like their 2JZ on that side, to my understanding. Based off like watching Adam LZ's videos, I just see how cool his welds are. I don't think that we have enough time to do like what I initially wanted to do with my exhaust, but maybe in future. But let me just give you guys a quick walk around on this car. The interior looks like, and this is the rear, and here we got the Civic, ready for the new exhaust. Let's go. Yo guys, this taxi just knocked into this Ford behind us. Let me show you guys the damage. Yeah, that's a bad one. Is he just driving away? Okay guys, let's see right in front of us. Let's see if we can race him.
Exit 15 onto M24 toward Racecourse Road. Then turn right onto Lancaster Road.
Okay guys, so we have the Civic on the left and we're about to put the new exhaust. So I just left Jalen, new exhaust is fitted. Actually sounds very soft. If we do plan on linking up in future to change the box to something a little bit smaller, might be loud as well. Just here, you guys can hear it's way softer. Actually a little bit too soft for my liking, but we're gonna figure that out. I think I need to fit the stack also, so that'll make a difference as well. Okay guys, so this is just a before and after what the exhaust sounds like. Guys, so in this video I plan on going to KILLARNEY. I think it is Nissan versus Toyota versus Honda. So before we do go, let me just uncover the Civic and maybe just double check the oil and then we can go from there. Okay guys, so the Civic is all topped up, so let's start him up.
Two fragile humans had it rough the whole weekend. And here's a little nest over here. Important. Yeah, we're fucking going.
Yo guys, so you guys know, at the end of most videos, I like to showcase a little bit of my personal life. I'm currently actually on holiday, actually sitting in the river. Myself and a friend of mine actually took me down here. So we're actually just trying to see what other places we can go or explore, in other words. And this is actually a very cool place. It's called Wolfkop. There's actually camping sites here, but we obviously have two villas that actually have their own jacuzzis and own pools at each one. But yeah, I'm enjoying my holiday and I hope you guys are enjoying this content as well.
Wait, bro, what the f?